Hey guys, let's see how to fix the remote control not working with your projector. There are different ways to do it. The first one is just come here and check the battery. Okay, pretty basic, but you just need to open here, replace the battery, check the position and see if it works. Then you can just close again here and point the remote control to the projector. Sometimes it's just a question of pointing correctly here or here in the back, depending on your projector. You need to point directly to the back part or to the front part, right? And another thing also you can try is just buy a new one if your is broken and sync again with your projector. And here there's a trick also that you can use. It's just grab a mouse like this, depending on the model that you're using. It can accept a mouse, right? Here I'm using this model, for example, which is pretty good. Works with different devices, cell phones and everything else. And I can connect a mouse to this projector, okay? I'll leave the link here in the description for this one. It's a good projector. So just grab your mouse, come here, the USB port, and just connect it, right? Just place here, connect it. And then when you go here to the screen, you see that you can use the mouse, right? So it's working back there. And then you just can use the scroll button. And here just click. And just show here that I'm using this left side here to click, the right side to come back. And also I'm using here the scroll as well. It works pretty fine, right? So here, scrolling, and I can click here on settings. There we go. So basically controlling everything. If I right click, it comes back. So it works for everything, right? So super simple. Depending on the model that you're using. This one is Android based. So this projector accepts a mouse. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.